Hello everyone, this is EZJack here, and we're going to talk about some more smart devices that make your home a lot smarter. Alright guys, now last time we talked about the smart LED light bulb, and now today we got something even better. It's called the smart plug. Why is a lot better? Because smart plug can turn all your device to smart device. So which means is you don't have to buy individual smart devices for your home anymore. So what smart plug is, anything that plug into the plug would have Wi-Fi module, and that allow you to control on off schedule, okay, and even times. So you can set to be on or 5 minutes, or you can set it according to schedule, like 5 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock at night, etc. And anything, literally anything that plugs onto this plug can be controlled. What I just say, all those functions. So let's have a look at this product here. Now it's a European 2-pin, so it comes with various country plug here, okay? So you have the US, you have the UKs, and etc. In my case, the European 2-pin kind of works in where we live, okay? And on the other side, it's also the European 2-pin. Now, I just been informed, now the new device of the smart plug, they're coming from my supplier, the places I found, they had improved this plug to have the universal side on where you plug in your device, which means is then you can plug in any device from any country anyway. You're gonna have this format on the back of the smart plug, which that is going to resolve all your problems. But today we're going to have a converter just to do the tricks. So otherwise you have to get one of these converter, the 2 pins that plug it into the smart plug. Then you can have the correct plug for your devices. Now you will say, what can we do with this thing here? Then I just say that you can turn to any devices that you wanted. So for example, me, I already thought about it. I'm gonna plug a multi-plug, which means allow me to plug in more devices. Okay, and I can say turn on my TV, my hi-fi, my microwave, all on that multi-plug. Okay, so that allow you to have more purpose for these kind of devices. Now today we're just going to do an exercise of plugging in to one devices. Now for example, this device we have here is the kettle. Now you're thinking, why do you want a kettle to be smart? Now how many of you wish that every morning someone could prepare your nice cup of coffee? Okay, for me, example, I have to wake up very early, okay, to prepare for my children's breakfast or lunch. Okay, so with smart plug, I gain that extra half an hour preparation. So what I did here is I connect my smart plug onto a rice cooker. Yes, you might know, Chinese rice. It can be microwave, it can be anything else. In my case, it's a rice cooker, but I don't always cook rice, okay? I steam the leftovers, or I steam the buns and, the dumplings and all that kind of thing. So I will prepare during that night, that evening, put everything together. I'll switch off the device and I program my smart plug every morning 5 up to 5:30 to be on. So 5 o'clock comes, rice cooker starts steaming product for the boys, and when they wakes up 6 o'clock or between 5:30 to 6 o'clock, they will have a nice warm meal, breakfast, without me to do anything else. So imagine you will have your kettle on the smart plug, which we're gonna do a demonstration right now. There you go, stop blinking, that means the device been connected. Oh, the plug is on. We can turn the plug off like that. Then you have the kettle to be on. So kettle is not running at all. Now, with the smart plug, we'll turn the kettle on. And in a few seconds, you can hear the kettle is cooking, without you to literally switch on the kettle itself. And I can turn the kettle off without you to go and switch off the kettle. So which means here is, with a smart plug, you can literally plug in anything, even your aircon, even your TV. So wouldn't you want it like an hour before you come home, that your home is nice and cool or nice and warm? Cool during the summer, warm in the winter. Smart plug can help you. Or you can plug this onto your router. When the time comes, okay, you cut off your Wi-Fi so your kids don't carry on playing or texting or watching YouTube during their bed. You can cut your internet off completely so they know it's time to go to bed. Okay, so guys, smart plug turns everything to smart. Alright guys, so that's for today, to make our life more smarter and our home to even smarter than us. That helps us have a better living. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it to your friend and click on the subscribe button and the bell button next to it so I can keep informing you what cool gadget I have found. So see you next time. Thank you.